Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr. Thank you so much for being here. So today is going to be what I got at Dollar Tree. So I have a lot of stuff like all around me here. I can't wait to show you what I got. It's some summer stuff, it's 4th of July, just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, and happy Wednesday to you guys. I hope you've had a great Wednesday. And yeah, I want to go ahead and show you what I got. I'm so excited. I found like something really cute. I can't wait to show you. Well, it's all cute. I think it's all cute. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started with the first thing. So now, what do I always buy at Dollar Tree? Well, I don't always buy it, but when they have them, I like to stock up on these, you guys. These are awesome. I love these. They are the carpet rugs. I love these. These are 18 inches by 24 inches carpet mats. So they're not rugs, but mats, and I really do like these. And some of them there they have are thicker quality, some of them are thinner. Like this one's kind of a thinner one than I normally get. But I'm not complaining, you guys, for $1. Like I said, I've seen these at Family Dollar, like the exact same, like basically the same concept and everything for $2. So I'm like, anyway, I stock up on these when I can. I mean, I just love using them for certain things around the house. And like I said, I got them in this really pretty gray color. Isn't that pretty? So, and then also I got it in, I think this is, oh, this is a different color too. This one right here, isn't that pretty? This one's real soft, like it's real, what's the word for it? I'm forgetting right now. Like more per square inch or whatever it's called. It's like very nice quality. Like you can see, it's really super nice quality carpet. And then it's like more dense. That's the word, dense. Okay. Then I'm about to drop some of my stuff I bought. Okay. So then I also got, now I got like carpet fibers all over me. And then I got this one, just a simple one. Now this is super thin, you guys, but again, I don't mind. So I'd rather have it than not. So like I said, this one's like not as thick either. It's kind of thin, but again, not complaining because the price is right and it's awesome. So, but that if I have carpet fibers all over me, just yeah, sorry about that. They're like flying off with these rugs. And then I got this one. This one again is the thinner side, super bendable, so not very thick. There we go. And then also I got one more. So here we go, last one. This one's super nice. It's like super thick again, more like padding. So, yep, so there's that. So I got those. Okay, let me show you what else I got. All right, so I got a little bit of this, like I said, a little bit of that. I did get, this bird is like so cute. Like I had to get him. It's a toucan, right? Here's the little sticker for the, yeah, I had to learn about these. I remember when I was in 2nd grade, and I did a whole report on them. I totally remember it, like still to this day, doing the report on them. So I kind of just like have a place in my heart for toucans. I think they're really cool, beautiful birds. Like their beaks are so long, they're so unique. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? So anyways, he's really cute with those little like feet and everything. They did a really good job making this, and for $1, that's a great deal. Yeah, there he is. I'll go in a little closer so you can see. Really pretty colors, the fuchsia. Like I said, I really love this. This will be a great little shelf sitter, even party decor. I'm just really thinking it's really adorable. So, and the little eyes. Anyway, really cute, right? I'm happy I found that. Then I got this. Let me show you this right here. These are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. These are like the pearlescent looking like party bowls. So for like, you know, party. So like for, you know, chips or anything where you're at like a party and you need to put, you know, like have something that's disposable like this. These are beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. It's like it catches different colors as you move it around. Kind of reminds me of like a pearl, like pearls, like they're like opalescent. Is that the word? Beautiful. So I couldn't believe I found them. Like I didn't see them. I did not see them in plates. I did see some like similar. They had. I showed it in my walkthrough, but I love foil plates, you guys, and I'm probably the only one who worries about this, but I worry about eating on foil plates. Like, I don't know, I just worry about it. So I would have bought these gorgeous plates they had. I just can't get myself to eat off of foil like I feel like when it's something's hot on a foil plate, like you know how like I have bought them before, like plates with foil writing, like disposable ones, and I feel like when they get hot, like I don't know if that's a good idea. So yeah, I passed on those, but these are really nice because the inside doesn't have that finish on it. So you get 2 in a pack, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? They're pretty good size too. So I'm really jazzed to find that. So like I said, I bought 2, so basically I have a 4-pack. Yeah, so really excited about that find. All right, then I have been wanting these, like, you know, I put it in the universe and my wish came true. So I've been looking for these, you guys. I found them. So yes, I was gonna order them on Amazon, but I saw them at DT, so I picked them up. They come in red and then this blue one. I ended up getting 4 blue because I have 4 kids, and so I thought they can all match. And then, you know, so the blue, like I said, the red is just as nice. And here we go. So because we have near our house, we have a tennis court, and so I can take them over there and we can play with these badminton rackets, and then I'm going to teach them how to play badminton. So anyways, you guys, that's a great deal. I've been looking at the Goodwill for these, and so I got brand new ones for $1 each. I'm really excited about it, and they're pretty lightweight, you know, they're not very heavy either. So I got those, so excited. All right, moving on. So to go with those, I got where did it go? The birdies. So I bought 2 packs of birdies. So there's the birdies, and again, a great deal. There's your little tag there, but you get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pack in there. So that's a great deal on that. Then I picked up, here's my other set of birdies right there. Then I also got this beautiful, like sparkly, glittery looking kind of, it's not glitter, but it's like, looks kind of like glitter. It's like, I'm getting closer so you can see, but it's got that sparkle look to it. This is gift wrapping paper. It's foil, 30 inches by 48 inches. So you don't get too much. Like you can see it's not very much in there, but still very pretty, right? So I think that this will be great for like, I was thinking even for my daughter's or my son's graduation gifts to like put in there. And they have this in gold as well as I think a red one. So really happy to find that. And then the next thing I got was, you guys, look at this. Isn't this so cute? I think this is a repeat from last year's decor that they had out, but I love it because I have a round table in our kitchen, and I really enjoy like changing up our tablecloths in there. And so yeah, these are beautiful. And did I make sure I got a round one? Yes, I did get a round one. Last time I bought the seashell one. I ended up getting the oval ones on accident. So really glad I had to double check there. So, but isn't that pretty? It's so vibrant, the colors, like that, this like blue green with the pineapples and like the lemons and limes on them. It's just beautiful. So I got that, and then I ended up getting, you guys, I had to get this. It is so cute. It is so, so cute. So it is a jointed cutout 29.5 inches bird, like on a little like wire or a little stick or whatever, you know, like a little branch, not a wire, a branch. But you see, I'll go closer so you can see. Isn't that so adorable? Like, I think he's so cute, or she. For, again, it has actually has a thing on the top where you can hang it. See the little like thing, so if you want to like put it on a door. Yeah, I love it for $1, you guys. So it's almost 3 feet tall for $1. Yes, yes indeed, great deal. So yeah, I have a lot to show you guys. Okay, so going along with that, I ended up getting this. I bought this last year as well. I do like this backdrop. This is a great buy on this one as well. It's got that realistic background. Looks like you're on the beach with a what's that? Limbo stick. There it is, limbo stick. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. So it has the whole scenery there, and really fun. I don't know, I may use it for my background sometime. I don't know, I just think it's fun, or for party, you know, either way. They have so much there in the way of like party decorations for like luau's, and you know, they have straw skirts, they have, I mean, pineapple shaped glassware, not pineapple, coconut shaped drinkware, and you know, it's just so many like great things. So that's cute. you know, if I were to order this on like online, this would be way more than $1. That's why I'm so happy to have found it there. Okay, so then I did get a box of these. These are the freezer gallon bags, so I needed to get these, and you get 10 in there, so I just picked up one of those. I also picked these up. So I did pick up these. Some more of these to replace the ones I bought. My cat's right here. He's playing with something that I bought. He's interested in it. So anyways, I did buy to replace the ones because, you know, they get kind of used up. And then, you know, I replace them. So these are awesome. I've said this before. My cats really like these. I've bought other ones that I paid a lot more money for, and they really like the Dollar Tree ones. Of course, every cat's different. They may not like these like mine do, but you know, I picked these up. So this is the cat scratcher board. So I got those. Then I got a pack of headphones. We needed these, so just grab one pack. These also come in blue. I think there might have been a red, I'm not sure, but this is kind of like, it's been there for, I mean, I know every time I go, I always see these, but I needed to get another one. We've used them before. So there it is. Then picked up a pack of gum. All right, then I also got this. This is really, I love decorating my kids' rooms and doors and everything around the house for each birthday. So this is a big, huge birthday sign, and it's a jointed cutout again, which I love. It's 29 inches by 22 inches, but look at, this is what it looks like when it's all like up, you know, put together. So it's gonna be pretty huge, right? So I'm really excited. It's a big birthday cake. It says happy birthday, and look at how big that is in comparison to me. I mean, it's really large, you know. It's gonna be great for decor. So got that. Then I also picked up one of these for some organization. I needed an area to organize, so I just picked up one of these. They had them at my store in blue, I think pink, and then in different sizes as well. So these are great. These are really great. I'm looking for ones in this size, like the letter size, like that size right there. I can't find them right now at my DT, but anyway, these are, and they have little handles. Great, great deal for these. They're really nice quality, really nice quality. I also picked up, oh, I got some sandwich bags, the 45 bags, and you get, they're the zipper ones too, the zipper seal. So I also picked up, I needed more of these. I did buy them on my last haul, and I bought some more this time. I just got, I think these are, did I get the same? Yeah, I got the same colors as the last time, but I do like these a lot. You get a 2-pack, and you have a pin on one side and actually the stylus part on the other side, so they come in handy. I like doing, it's so hard for me to text sometimes, you know, because the buttons are so little. I mean, I can text, but this is just so much, I don't know, I like using these. I don't use them all the time, but they're kind of fun to just switch it up instead of using my finger for my phone. It's nice. And then I also got this letter banner. It says happy birthday. Isn't that pretty? It's that holographic look again, and it's 1.95 feet, what, almost 2 feet, I guess, by 0.4 feet. I don't know how the string is 9 feet long. So happy birthday. To the other side. We have 4 kids, so I like to, like, whenever I see something cute, just go ahead and buy it for like decor, because I like to really decorate when it comes to the times for their birthdays, and I like to have options. All right, and then I also got this sign. I think it's so precious. It says welcome. It has the jute twine there, string to hang it. I might even just put it outside my front door as like a little leaning sign. I think that would be really cute like that. But it's got, I like that red. I think it's, they had one that said, I think God bless or something like that. I can't remember what the other one, it was navy blue. But I'll go in closer so you can see it's got glitter on it, on the, there we go. It's got glitter on the lettering. And it's not really falling off too bad. I know some of the signs, well, the glitter falls off. It still falls off, but it's not, because you guys know I don't like when glitter, I don't like when glitter gets on me. So, but this is like, I'm not minding this at all. It's not really too bad. I mean, it definitely is coming off, but it's not like, you know, just falling off looking at it. You know what I mean? There's some signs that are like that, but isn't that cute and nice? I love it with the stars and the firecracker. Kind of wish I bought one more because I kind of want to put one outside and then one inside, you know. And then I think the last item in this haul, okay, this is so cute. This had me laughing. I had to get it because it's so cute. So I ended up getting this drinking cup. This is like too funny. I think it's so cute, and it actually is really pretty good quality, you guys. I mean, for $1, look at this. And they have one with pink, like a pink lid, so like a pink ice cream, but it looks like an ice cream cone. And then it has the, you know, the straw here that will come out. You guys know I don't like to reuse my straw, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna quite do this like with a regular straw, because my regular straw would get lost. I may have to look at Amazon and see if Amazon has any type of straw that I could use in replacing these, because yeah, it's just, you know. But anyway, the things, it screws off, so actually it's like, it actually has like a, you see that, it has like a little bit of like teeth, so you can screw it back on, and it's just, you know, pretty sturdy. And it's huge, you guys. This is like the size of my head, you know, it's humongous. So yay. This would be so cute for like party favors, like birthday party gifts. Like, it is like really adorable. And it's, I mean, they have really cute drinkware right now at Dollar Tree. Like, there are so many ones that when I go back, I'm gonna get the other ones, if they're still there, that I've been eyeing, like this really cute margarita one that was like plastic. And, but I had to get this one because I think it's really cute. I love the ice cream look, the ice cream cone. So anyways, you guys, that is it for everything I bought at DT. Like I said, had a great time shopping there. I always do. And we have 4 Dollar Trees in our town. So I need to go check out, like, well, today's Wednesday, so maybe tomorrow or in the next day or two, I'm going to be back at Dollar Tree because I want to see, you know, because they always have new stuff. And like I said, we have 4. I'm really lucky that we have 4 in our town, so I want to check it all out and see what we have new at our Dollar Trees. So anyways, all right, guys, thanks again so much for being here. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to hear what your thoughts were on the things I picked up this time. And yes, if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you once again so much for being here. And I appreciate you all so very much. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with my next haul. All right, friends? Okay, so till next time, everybody, take care. God bless you all. I'll see you really soon. All right, now, take care. Bye-bye.